everyone, today I'm going to show you what you get in the new castlearts 72 Harmonious collection of coloured pencils, which is a new product that they have just launched. It is a premium collection of delicately pigmented, silky smooth coloured pencils for a beautifully soft finish, and it has a user guide and a tutorial included. It comes in this tin. At the moment they're not doing them in the zip up pouch, which I usually like to have my pencils in, but I think that is something that they're gonna do in the future. So I got them in the tin, and inside the tin lid is all the names on a list there. And as always with castlearts, you get some leaflets inside. This is about their website. This one is about all the other products that they do, because they do paints, fabric paints, drawing supplies, pencils, pens, brush pens. And then there is a chart of all the other colours that you can get in the other products that they do, in the paints and the pens and the pencils. Then you get a tutorial of how to draw or colour the picture that's on the front of the tin. If you go to their website, you can download the picture. They have quite a few pictures that you can download and colour in. And there's a little tutorial of all the colours that they've used if you want to have a little go at that. There's also the how to use guide, lots of tips in here, how to look after your pencils, how to use them, how to hold them. Some tips and tricks and techniques, inspiration in there as well, different tools you can use for different effects. Some other colouring pages that you can download from their website and have a go at as well. And then you get the colour pencil tester sheet. Now this has all of the numbers and colour names already printed on it, which is very useful, and we'll be colouring that in a minute. So the point of colouring these in is so that you can see all of your colours together. And also because when you colour on the paper, sometimes it's a different colour, very slightly, to the colour that's printed on the pencil. It also helps you to decide what colour you might want to use. You might see a colour that you didn't think of using, and then you see it in your colour chart and decide on that one. So these are the pencils in the Harmonious set, and they are more of an addition to the colours you may already have. So they're quite muted colours. There's some greys in that one, lilacs, purples, blues, and then some muted greens and purples, light blues. So I'm quite excited for this set because there is a very dark blue in it and a very light blue in it, which are colours that I think I could have done with using in the past but I didn't have. So I'm expecting it to be quite a nice little addition to all the colours that I already have. Some people have said a lot of the colours look very similar, but when you're colouring things like animals and faces and things that you want to look realistic, sometimes you just need a very subtle change in the colour to get a more realistic look on things. So I'm going to colour swatch. I'll take all the pencils out and then we can start colour swatching the chart. Now this could be quite boring as I colour all the colours in, so you can just zip along the video to the end where I'll have finished the colours, and then we can have a little look at them all. It's also good to colour in these colour charts because it gives you a little bit of practice of using the pencils. You get a bit of a feel for them, as you are filling in the chart. There's no right or wrong way to really colour on the chart. Some people like to colour from pressing from light to dark, or they just do a pale colour in each one because they press very lightly. I like to just colour it in one solid block colour, pressing quite hard, because I can then imagine how it will look if I press a little bit lighter. So that's how I do it, but you can do it any way you like. Okay, so that is the pencil tester sheet all coloured in. Let me tell you also before I forget, if you are thinking of buying these pencils, if you go to the castlearts UK website and use my code Sophie Colours, you'll get 20% off. So the link to that is in the description under this video and also at the end of the video, but it's only available in the UK on castlearts UK website. So that's all the colours, and there's some really nice unique colours here in this set. There's quite a lot of greys, so if ever you felt that you were missing a shade of grey, there's quite a few in this set. There is that very dark blue, which I was quite looking forward to, and the very light blue, because they are two colours that I always feel that I need. There's quite a few unique shades of greens as well, and a very dark green there. So there's quite a few colours in here that you were probably missing in your other pencil sets. So it is quite a nice addition. If you like muted colours and pastel colours, they also do a castlearts pastel tint set, which I do have the colour sheet here. They're the pastel tint set, so just so you can see them side by side. if you like pastel colours. I usually colour with quite bright colours, but it will be nice to use this set, maybe get some more pastel shades into my colouring as well. So they're quite nice pencils and they don't break easily, as you've just seen me colour all of those in, and I do press quite hard and none of them break, unless of course you drop your pencils on a hard floor. That can shatter the leads inside and make them more prone to breaking, but as a general rule I find that Castle Arts pencils are quite sturdy and they don't break too easily. So thank you for watching. I hope that that's helped anyone who was undecided if they wanted this pencil set or not. And I will see you next time.